Hello and welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long-term value investors. And today before market opening, another stock out of my portfolio published their Q3 earnings, and this time it's Pfizer, and I will go through these numbers with you and then we'll explain what I will do with my position and if it's maybe a good time to buy into Pfizer. So let's go. Pfizer reported third quarter September 2020 earnings of 72 cents per share on revenue of 12.1 billion. The consensus earnings estimate was 70 cents per share on revenue of 12.3 billion. The earnings whisper number was 77 cents per share. Revenue fell 4.3% compared to the same quarter a year ago. The company Pfizer said it expects 2020 earnings of $2.88 to $2.93 per share on revenue of 48.8 billion to 49.5 billion. The company's previous guidance was earnings of $2.85 to $2.95 per share on revenue of 48.6 billion to 50.6 billion, and the current consensus earnings estimate is $2.90 per share on revenue of 49.19 billion for the year ending December 31, 2020. So overall, they beat the consensus estimates on earnings a little bit and fell a little bit short on the revenue. So overall, I would say these numbers are in line with the estimates, so no big surprise here. And so before hours, Pfizer loses 0.37% to now $37.75 in the stock price. So not a big reaction so far, and I think that makes sense because these numbers is just almost like expected. I bought my shares in March, May and June, an average of $36, and calculated in my original Pfizer video, my deeper analysis of the Pfizer business, an intrinsic value of $38. And so right now we trading around the intrinsic value. And so in this moment I will not add more shares of Pfizer, but will stick with my position because I think Pfizer is a great and solid base long-term investment with a very good and safe dividend and also a nice outlook for the future. And so Pfizer makes 4.34% of my whole portfolio. And by the way, you find on my channel a playlist with deeper analysis of all of these companies in my portfolio. Feel free to check this out. And if you find any value on that, please subscribe to my channel and join me on this road as a long-term value investor. And so my original position of Pfizer is up almost 7%. This is okay. The big player like Pfizer, you can't expect the very high returns, but you can expect very stable returns. This is a goal with this Pfizer investment. I just expect stable returns, stable earnings, stable cash flows. And so I'm very happy with my buy price for Pfizer so far. And of course, if we get another correction or crash and Pfizer gets way below the intrinsic value, I will add even more shares of Pfizer because it's just a great stable company. And of course, in the short term, if they come through with the vaccine for the pandemic, then of course there could be also a short-term run for Pfizer because this is a big play. If you're first with a vaccine, then of course you can also earn a lot of money with that. And next to the money, just hope the best that they come through with that, and expected is November. You can find a little bit more information on this video here. You find this also on my channel. And so they hope and expect to have a vaccine in November. We will see how this will work out, and of course this can have also a big impact in the short run. But if the vaccine comes and if Pfizer is first or not, is of course a short-term play, but in the long run It makes not a big difference and don't change my mind on Pfizer in any direction. I just think Pfizer is a super stable base investment for the long term, and that's all about here on the channel. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you found any value, please subscribe to my channel and join me on my road to financial freedom. And if you really like the video, give me a big thumbs up. This helps a lot for the YouTube algorithm for my little channel, and ring the notification bell to never miss another video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and tell all your friends that here is a group of long-term value investor is rising. We reached almost 500 subscribers now, and just join this group and follow me on this journey. Thank you. So that's it. Take care. Bye bye.